Hello everyone! Welcome to the QD001 Smart Car teaching course, Section 3-2, Intelligent Obstacle Avoidance. In the last lesson, the car learned to see obstacles. But what should it do after seeing them? Now, let's teach it to avoid obstacles automatically. Part 1. What is the principle of ultrasonic obstacle avoidance? Is the principle of automatic obstacle avoidance complicated? In fact, the obstacle avoidance process is very simple. First measure the distance, then decide whether avoidance is needed, and finally perform the obstacle avoidance action. How do we determine whether a distance is safe? Just as driving on a highway requires a following distance of around 100 meters. A smart car also has a safe distance, also known as the safety threshold. The faster the car's speed, the larger the threshold. Part 2. If statement. Once the threshold is set, how do we make decisions based on distance? This is where the if statement comes in. Assume the safety threshold is 25 centimeters. If the distance is less than 25 centimeters, the car will turn to avoid the obstacle. When the condition is true, the code block is executed. Otherwise, it is skipped. If there are two opposing situations, we need to use the if-else statement. For example, if the distance is less than 25 centimeters, it will turn. Otherwise, move forward. This is the if-else branching structure. If the condition is true, execute then. Otherwise, execute else. If multiple conditions need to be evaluated, multiple if-else statements can be combined. For example, subway ticketing. If height is greater than or equal to 150 centimeters, full fare. If height is greater than or equal to 120 centimeters, half fare. Otherwise, free for those below 120 centimeters. Part 3. Smart Car Laboratory. Now that we've learned conditional statements, let's do a small project. Make the smart car automatically avoid obstacles. When the distance is less than 25 centimeters, the car will turn to avoid the obstacle. Otherwise, the car will go straight. Before we start programming, let's clarify the logic. The program logic is as follows. After starting, first get the distance data from the ultrasonic sensor, then check whether it is less than 25 centimeters. If it is less, perform obstacle avoidance. Otherwise, go straight. Then repeat this process. Now that we understand the program logic, let's try programming. Step 1. Start and initialize the car. Then set up the variable for ultrasonic distance measurement. Step 2. Drag out the forever instruction. And then embed the ultrasonic ranging command into the variable command. This command can directly obtain the distance without needing to be used in conjunction with other ultrasonic commands. It can be used alone. Step 3. Use the if-else instruction to make a judgment. If the distance is less than 25, perform obstacle avoidance. Otherwise, go straight. The program is complete. Click Upload to write the program into the ESP32. Look, the smart car has started automatic obstacle avoidance. It goes straight when there's no obstacle, and turns left to avoid one when detected. This program is also provided in the sample program, so you can open it for reference. Feel free to share your obstacle avoidance car video. See you in the next lesson.